All right, you need to get your math journal and glue in your math story problem for today. Push pause to make sure it's on a new page. Okay, friends, so we are going to work with rdww. I'm going to read you the story problem. You will show your math work by drawing a math strategy, write a number sentence, and then write a sentence to answer the question. That's a part that keeps forgetting to be done. Get your listening ears ready. I'm going to read. Your teacher has 5 jars. Each jar has 2 gummy worms. How many gummy worms did your teacher bring to school? You can always read it again if you need to. Draw your math work, write your equation, and then write a sentence to answer this question. How many gummy worms did your teacher bring to school? Show your work on Seesaw.